Special delivery from Amazon. So we finally got our washer. We are gonna get ready to open it and test it out. Let's start washing some clothes in our tiny apartment. Okay, so I have brought the washer into the tiny little apartment bathroom. If you could see, we were first gonna try and do it in the kitchen, but I was a little bit in the way. I don't like it, and I'm gonna be doing laundry on the daily right now because we are so behind. We have a large family, so we have it like this. I haven't tried it yet, so I'm getting ready to try it, and then hopefully it works. Hopefully it's our solution for now because we can't afford to buy a full-size, family-size washer dryer unit. We have our dryer still fully functional. Now we're gonna have it drain into the tub. I have it sitting on my parallettes since I haven't been using them lately, and they're strong enough to hold it just to give it a good lift so it's easier to drain. And then we're gonna see how that works. And now let's load her up. Okay, and as you can see, she is washing pretty good, and I threw a lot of stuff in there. I did one towel, a PJ onesie, hubby's shirt, a hat, a bunch of stuff. You can see the water getting all nasty and juicy. Yeah, so it's washing. Okay, so it's all done washing. It's first wash. It did really good. It's a little bit steamy on the lid, so I guess we're supposed to push drain somewhere according to hubby. So let me see. Oh, just drain. Okay. So I drained everything. I'm gonna have to clean this tub again. That's how it's looking. I pulled the hat out already and wrung it out. So I guess now what I'm gonna do is put it into the spin side and then see what happens. It does smell very clean. It did good. Very heavy jean jacket. Washed it. Let's see how it spins. Well, maybe I'm gonna do by itself because I don't think you're supposed to put everything in there. Put that right there in the sink. I'm gonna do like the lightweight items first. My onesie. And then my pants. I think or maybe I'll do this with my jacket. Okay. it's all done spinning, and I already got the first load, but I wanted to show you guys this load, which is a heavier one, the jean jacket and my cheetah pants. This is almost dry. This thing works so good. I think it's better than what my old full-size washer used to do. So yeah, I'm really impressed with this. This is really good.